5/8 GSM polyester 190T taffeta 100% polyester. Polyester lining. Zipper closure. Each LOQI bag comes with an extra zip pocket and an inner pocket. How to use me. Fold me into my zip pocket, roll me up with my strap or stuff me into the inside pocket. Holds up to 20 kilograms, 44 pounds, a great alternative for plastic shopping bags. Material 100% polyester. Water resistant. Food safe. OEKO-TEX certified free from harmful substances. Strong like a man, loyal like a dog. LOQI bags are super strong, chemical-free, long-lasting, water-resistant and washable. And they're extremely good-looking. No, it's not too much to ask. You can have your cake and eat it too. Weight 55 grams, 1.94 ounces, bag dimensions 50 by 42 centimeters, 19.7 x 16.5. Inside pocket 13. 5 by 16 centimeters, 5.3 inches by 6.3. Zip pocket 11 by 11.5 centimeters, 4.5 inches by 4.5. Handle 27 centimeters, 10.6. Holds 20 kilograms, 44 pounds. Material 100% polyester. LOQI makes extra lovable, super strong bags, backpacks, zip pockets and luggage covers. Our products are also just like you and me, great looking, smart and dependable. Top reviews from other countries. Love these bags. I think I am addicted to these bags as I've now bought several. I only really need one but am gradually equipping my friends and family with them. They are so big and strong and attractive when you unfold and use as a bag, and so small and light to always have them on you in a pocket or handbag, so you are never caught out being in a shop and having to use a plastic bag.